Well, we're right now on our keynote address on True DAO, the new trend in DeFi. So we've got with us Grigory Rybalchenko, the founder and CEO, Emirex.com. Grigory leads the development of the group's strategy with nearly 2 decades of experience gained in information technology and management consultancy. He's advised multinationals on strategy, digitalization, and implementation of emerging technology, operational performance, and efficiency. He's also designed and built blockchain infrastructure, allowing real-world asset tokenization. He's got advanced degrees in mathematics and economics, holds an MBA from the Open University Business School, and took courses in disruptive strategies at the Harvard University. Well, Grigory was an early adopter of cryptocurrencies and passionate about promoting and adopting blockchain technology and crypto amongst non-technical users through simple and easy interfaces. Well, now it is time to get Grigory on your screen. Thank you so much, Grigory, for joining us today on the World Blockchain Summit. Over to you.
Thank you for the introduction, Hannah. And thank you, everyone, for being here. Let me share my screen and I have a presentation for you. So the topic of the presentation is a true DAO and new trend in DeFi. We're all aware about DAO, but we designed a new concept which is called true DAO. And the presentation will be also with real examples, and the real examples will be done showing EmiSwap decentralized exchange concept. Okay, there are a couple of words on me. About me. I'm more than 8 years in experience in crypto. I call myself crypto business scientist because I try to merge use cases of the blockchain with the real business scenarios. And also I've launched already several DeFi projects, which is quite successful and adopted by community. I'm EmiSwap team member. So that this decentralized exchange, there is no one who is creating it, but there is a team or community of people who are creating, and I'm one of these people. The beauty of decentralized DAO, it stands for decentralized and autonomous organization, and the beauty of it that it is automated decision making. So there is no person who is deciding on transaction. There is an algorithm already predefined in smart contract, and the beauty is that most of DAOs should be, I would say all of DAOs should be open source, and everybody can transparently see the rules of these DAOs, so how it works, and there is no hidden, like we say, hidden commissions. There is no hidden things could happen because everything is open. And the second beauty is that it is community-based decision-making, which means that there is a voting mechanism and community is deciding on a decision, deciding on changes with the protocol, and also community is able to contribute because it is open source. And if there is a contribution from someone to the protocol, then the community accept this or not. And the last one is a transparent decision record. It means that all the transactions on the protocol are recorded. And we see a lot in DeFi, for example, about $10 million, and in June it was 300 million. So the growth is 30-fold for 5 months. And but there are problems with the current DAOs, with the current protocols. The first problem is the smart contract changes. So currently, most of the protocols are designed that the one who created this protocol can change a smart contract without consulting with the community. So he's actually the owner. So it's like a pseudo DAO. Then the lack of the profit share. The current protocols are designed in the way that the one who created the protocol, he gets all the profits and not the community. The lack of token vesting. So many protocols just issue or airdrop a lot of tokens to obtain the attention of the community. However, because it is without vesting, it costs nothing, and some people buy them, and the token goes down or drops because it was given for free without any vesting. And lack of governance token. It means that the community as such is not voting at all because there is no mechanism, there is no governance token which allows to make changes in the protocol. So in principle, to summarize all of this, the decentralized or DeFi protocols which exist now, they claim to be DAOs or decentralized, but in fact, they are completely centralized. They are completely controlled by their creators. And it is just centralized protocols on the blockchain. And I don't say that it is 100% protocols, but I would say it's 99 protocols, 99% of the protocols. That's why we decided to introduce EmiSwap. EmiSwap is a first project of EmiDAO Ecosystem, and EmiSwap is decentralized exchange. And EmiDAO Ecosystem is an open source, decentralized, true decentralized, anonymous organization with all the benefits which I mentioned before. If you look at this picture, this is ecosystem is DAO, and there are two elements of this. One is EmiVault, smart contract, so you can see all the profits go to EmiVault, and from EmiVault, all the profits goes to the ESW token holders. So ESW, it's EmiSwap, and exchange EmiSwap has a token, native token, and the holders will get all the profits from it. And the second one is a governance voting. So you can see that all the protocols, all the smart contracts could be changed through the voting. So if the community votes, then the changes will be done. And this is like EmiDAO is in a green, and below there are projects. EmiSwap, the first EmiDAO project EmiSwap is an exchange, and this will be launched in October. But there will be many other projects connected to the EmiDAO. So EmiDAO is ecosystem in reality. And the number of projects will not be limited, and all the profits of these projects will go to EmiVault, and from EmiVault to ESW token holders. And the mission of EmiDAO we pursue is to build a true DAO according main principle of decentralization I mentioned before. So will be 0.3%, and this is as per market. The commission 0.25% will be go to liquidity providers, and 0.05% will go to the EmiVault and distributed through ESW token. So that's how we achieve that all the profits will be distributed through the community. And EmiSwap is automated market maker exchange, and we did a fork of MoniSwap and Uniswap and took the best of that exchanges to replicate and edit our features for real true decentralization. So in summary, ESV token, which I explained before, it gives decision making for community voting. So any changes with the protocol can be done only through voting by ESV token. So the ESV token holders become the real owners of the exchange. And the second one is a profit share, that what I mentioned, that all the commissions from the exchange, they don't go to anyone in specific, they don't go to the creator of the protocol. It goes to ESV token holders, which is a community, and I will explain you further how to get ESV tokens, how community can get ESV tokens. And we did some approximation and we built a profitability model. So at the initial stage, the price of the ESV token will be 11 cents. And when the exchange achieve the volume, daily volume of 1 million, then the cumulative income will be 1.4%. But in 6 months, we assume that it will achieve 14 million, and the cumulative income will be 150%. In 2 years, 24 months, we believe that the volume will be 230 million per day, and the cumulative gross price of the token, I mean, will be 3,243%. 243%. How it grows is because all the incomes, you can see income from the trading, all the income will be distributed through the token holders. So then the question, how the community can get these ESV tokens and can enjoy this lucrative business model. So 3% of will be allocated for early liquidity providers who provide liquidity for the exchange. 5% will be for ambassadors and community, 20% for crowd sales, and 22% for ecosystem growth and users attraction. Let's start with the crowd sale. Crowd sale initial price will be 11 DAI, but later the price will change because the price will be market one, the market price, and there will be a possibility to pay with different currencies to buy the token with the different currencies. And there will be 40 million tokens available for sales. The second one is a program for swappers and liquidity providers. And as you can see, first 30 days, there will be 40,000 ESV tokens per day given to early liquidity providers. On top, first 80 days, there will be 10x reward. So it will be given 30,000 ESV tokens for liquidity providers for 1 million turnover, which is cool. And then after 100 days, there will be normal conditions. And the swappers, there will be also 10x for like make a transaction on the exchange, they do it for free because they will be rewarded with ESV, which will compensate the commission. And the last one, this is offer for ambassadors. So the ambassadors, because this is a decentralized and community, and anyone, absolutely anyone, you can be part of the EmiSwap exchange or EmiDAO ecosystem, even I would tell more, and you can be ambassador. And there were 10 million ESW tokens allocated for the ambassadors. So, and if you do community building, influence marketing, if you are a local ambassador in the area or investment relationship, you can become ambassador and take part of this 10 million ESW tokens. If you are interested to become a part of True DAO and EmiSwap, then you can write to the email ambassadors@emiswap.com and tell that you want to participate, and then they discuss how you want to do it. And, that's it, what I wanted to present it. Thank you very much. Again, I am CEO and co-founder of EmiRex, and also I am proud to be team member of EmiSwap, which is a True DAO.
Yes, thank you so much, Grigory, for joining us. Well, absolutely, we did realize what is in its store for all the attendees today, and I'm sure the email is going to be a great way they can touch base and get in touch with you. Thank you once again for your valuable time.
Sorry. Also, I wanted to add that we have a booth.
Please.
We have a EmiRex booth, and at EmiRex booth there will be people who will be able to help with EmiSwap as well.
Awesome, that's great.
Yes.
Yes, I think that's a great note for that as well, that they could head to the booth as well and, get in touch with your team as well. So thank you so much once again for joining us today and giving us your valuable time.
Thank you very much.